Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Vibes. I'm Emma.
And I'm John. Today, we're doing something super helpful for all English beginners, basic reading practice.
In this lesson, we'll read simple sentences, short paragraphs, mini stories, questions and answers, pronunciation practice, and slow reading exercises.
This lesson will help you read English more clearly, more confidently, and with better understanding.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss new lessons.
Ready to read with us? Let's begin.
Repeat after me. 1. I wake up early in the morning. 2. I drink cold water after waking up. 3. I open the window to feel fresh air. 4. Reading helps me start my day calmly. 5. I enjoy learning new words every day.
Now read after me. 1. She walks to school every day. 2. He reads simple books to learn English. 3. They like practicing sentences together. 4. We listen carefully during reading practice. 5. Good reading improves understanding.
A quiet morning. Every morning, Lisa sits near her window with a warm cup of tea. She watches the sun slowly rise above the trees. The calm light helps her feel peaceful. Before starting her day, she reads a few pages of her favorite book.
The library visit. Ryan goes to the library every afternoon. He likes the quiet rooms and the smell of books. He chooses a simple story and sits at a small wooden table. Ryan reads slowly so he can understand every word.
An evening routine. In the evening, Sarah makes a cup of warm milk. She sits on her sofa and reads a short article. Reading helps her relax after a long day. She enjoys learning something new before going to bed.
The lost notebook. Mark cannot find his notebook. He looks under the table, inside his backpack, and behind the chair. The notebook has all of his English notes, so he feels worried. Finally, he checks the kitchen table and finds it there. Mark smiles and starts reading his notes again.
A day at home. Anna stays at home on Sunday. She cleans her room, waters the plants, and listens to soft music. In the afternoon, she reads a short story on her phone. She enjoys learning new words and repeating them out loud. Reading makes her Sunday peaceful and productive. Question 1. Where does Ryan go every afternoon?
Question 2. What does Sarah drink in the evening?
Question 3. Where does Mark find his notebook?
Question 4. What does Anna do on Sunday?
Answers. 1. He goes to the library.
Number 2. She drinks warm milk.
Number 3. On the kitchen table.
Number 4. She stays home, cleans, listens to music, and reads. Reading every day helps you improve.
Slow reading builds confidence.
Simple stories help you learn faster.
Practice makes English easy.
You can understand more with daily reading.
Great job today. You read a lot, and your English is already getting better.
If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next reading practice.
Also, comment below, what was your favorite reading paragraph today?
Thanks for watching English Vibes. See you in the next lesson.